Welcome to Experimaker Basics. Today we'll be looking at navigation. To create experiments quickly and easily, you need fast navigation. No more clicking through the entire experiment to preview a change you've made at the end. Every part of the experiment should be, at most, 2 clicks away, even if it's a really large or complex experiment. In this video, we'll show you all the different ways to navigate through Experimaker. Let's look at footer navigation first. The media buttons control block and trial navigation. The display shows the current block and current trial. The next trial button navigates through the experiment sequentially. Next block navigates straight to the next block. Or click the cards in the block tab to navigate directly to any block. The play and pause buttons are designed for complex experiments with multiple events in a trial. The slider buttons allow for more granular control. They display a single time point without moving to the next. The cards in the Timeline tab behave similarly. The Block Options tab allows you to move between blocks for more convenient editing of multiple blocks. Similarly, the Layout tab allows you to move between both blocks and time points. So, you can edit the layout of any part of the experiment without switching tabs.